This is very similar to our solve it problem. So this is example number one. I know this isn't something you're going to draw in your comp book, but we're going to write some of our notes that, like we were doing yesterday, like absolute value of A plus absolute value of B gives us the distance between the 2 points. So what we're asked to do is how can we find the length of rope needed to go around the building? The building's going to go around A, B, C, D, and then back to A. So I think you all could do this like at the 2.5 level and just kind of count. Like here's A and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It was 6 to get from A to B. And then I bet you would understand that from D to C, that's also 6. Then we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 5 to get to D or B to C, which means it's 5 to get to D to A. So what is that perimeter? The rope's got to go around it. It's 6 plus 6 plus 5 plus 5. Well, we know 6 plus 6 is 12. We know 5 plus 5 is 10. What are those together? 22. But how would you show that using your absolute value? If we're going to do that, we have to know the points. Like this point A is -4 up 6. -4 up 6. This point B is 2 up 6. So I like to kind of stack my ordered pairs. It lets me compare them a little bit better. So we got -4, 6, and we got 2, 6. First of all, just focusing on these points A and B, are they in the same quadrant? So this one is quadrant 1, this is quadrant 2. Are A and B in the same quadrant? No, they're in different quadrants. If they're in different quadrants, are we adding or are we doing A minus B? Same quadrant is subtract, different quadrants is the add. So they're different quadrants, so we're going to add these. So how do I know if I'm adding the X or the Y's? Well, if you look, the Y's are the same, so it's going to hard for us to find the distance of the same point. So we're going to look over here. So we're going to have absolute value of -4 plus absolute value of 2. So we get 4 plus 2. We get a distance of 6. Same distance we found before, but now here's using the formula of how to find distance. And you would do that process for all of them. So I can do one more. We'll do B to C. Since we already have B as this point, 2, 6, C is the point 2, 1. So again, I'll stack these up. We'll have 2, 6, and then we'll have 2, 1. You notice the 2's are the same, the x coordinates are the same, and the y's are different. So again, are these in the same quadrant? Now we're looking at B and C. Are they in the same quadrant? Yes. So that means if same quadrant, we're going to subtract. So I'm going to have absolute value of 6 minus absolute value of 1. That's going to equal my distance. So we get 6 minus 1 equals 5. My distance between those points is 5. So that's what we got just counting, and now we were able to show that through using our formulas and our equations with absolute value.